If you would like to change your email in your Crunchyroll account, then here is how you can do it. First of all, you have to launch any of your preferred web application. At the top search bar, type in crunchyroll.com and make sure that you are logged into your specific Crunchyroll account. You will see a page like this. Now here, expand this button. This will display your name. Click on Settings. As you do so, scroll below. On your left hand side, you will see Account. Under Account, click Email. Once you do so, you will see Change Email. This is my current email, and if you would like to change your current email and add a new one, first of all, you need to make sure that you have all the access to this email account that is under Current Email. Now let's go ahead and send an email link. For that, click on Send Email Change Link. And once you click on Send Email Change Link, you will get an email. In my case, the email has already arrived. At this section, you have to scroll below. Click on Change Email. Wait for this to load. And here at this section, you have to type in the new email. Confirm your new email. Make sure that you type in your current password correctly. Once done, click on Update Email. Just as you do so, this will update your email, and this is how you can do it.